If you can no longer access Windows Terminal, then there's no need to worry. We have compiled a quick guide to help you fix the problem. Now, one of the most common methods to open Windows Terminal is to right-click on the Start option, then select Windows Terminal Admin. Next, check if it is not disabled on your computer. Do it by opening Settings, choose Apps, open Apps and Features, select Advanced App Settings, select App Execution Aliases, and from the Apps list, locate Terminal and enable the toggle next to it. Now if it's already enabled, turn it off and then on again. Lastly, you can have Windows repair the app by opening Apps and Features. Look for Terminal, click More Options, choose Advanced Options, scroll down again, then select Repair or Reset to fix the problem. So that's how you can fix the Windows Terminal not opening on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.